Selamat Sejahtera. My name is Hoe Wai, and I'm going to present my event registration management system named Event Forms. So the objective of the system is to develop and design an event registration management system that speeds up the process of event registration and adding events. The second objective is to manage large amount of users' data at the same time and perform data addition, data search, updating record, and data deletion. The third objective is to produce an accurate calculation that assists end users in decision making and generate reports. About the target user, I'm the admin of the system. Besides, there are two types of user using this system. They are organizers and students. Organizer consists of lecturers, staff, or students, while students are the one who wants to participate on an event. Now I'm going to demonstrate my system. Okay, this will be my main page of the system. So I will log in as an admin. Okay, to view list, I'm able to view organizer list available in the system, the student list available in the system, event list, event that is created, and the registration log, which is the registration activity happening in the system. So for searching, I'm able to search events, search by event name, okay, there's three types of animation. Search by student name. There's two student name Yong. Okay, the rest is almost the same. For delete, I'm able to delete events, such as this one, the coding interview. I'm going to delete. So it's successfully deleted. So as you can see, event 41 is gone. So same applies to the organizer. Delete 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete. Yes, it will be deleted from the system. So now I'm going to show the student list for each event. So for example, I'm going to see event 32. So there's 4 students participating in this event. So this can generate a text file. I name it 1. Let's see. Okay, this one is newly created. As you can see, it is the same from the system. Okay, so for generating admin report, okay, there's 7 types of report that can be generated by the admin. So firstly is the student event relationship report. So for example, event title, coding competition have 4 students participating, and for computer animation have 2 students participating. So this is the bar chart generated from this table. So there's this from the table, it can calculate the mode, median, and mean, variance, standard deviation. And this report also shows the least participants in the event and also the most participants in the event. So we can also generate reports from here. So for example, I put still event 2. Okay, so let's see whether it's generated or not. Still event 2 is generated just now. Okay, as you can see, it's the same from the system. Okay, let's try the monthly created. So in January, there's 1 events created, same as the other month. So this is the bar chart generated from the table and also the calculation from this data. Also shows the least and most. Since all of them is 1, so this will generate the same amount of data. Okay, so this report also can generate a text file for it. So okay, for third one is the year. So in 2023, there's 3 numbers of event created, and for 2024, there's 1 event created. Okay, so this is a bar chart and also the calculation, and the least event created and the most event created for it for the year. So okay, no, then for the fifth one, in January, there's 2 students participate in an event, and for July, there's 4 students participating in an event. So this is the bar chart and the calculation, and also the least and most. The sixth one is for the yearly student participation report. And the seventh one is year-month student participation report, which is almost the same with the monthly student participation report. So for user, you can choose either organizer or student. For organizer, you can register as anyone. For only lecturers and staff or students. Okay, so Dr. Zulisman is registered into the system. So log in as Dr. Adili. So an organizer can add event, for example adding a camp. If I enter a past date, it will show an error message and shows the current date. So I will re-enter with a future date. Okay, so I also can update an event. So either I can update all the event details or each individually. So I will demonstrate all. So you can choose which one to update. So proceed, and I will update event 42. So you can enter a new event category, which I will enter seminar, coding seminar. Oh no. As you can see, I just accidentally entered the wrong name. So I will go out and update the event title. So proceed to event 42 and change it to the correct name. Sure to update. Yes, successfully update. I can delete an event also. So I'm going to delete the one that I created just now. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, the coding seminar is gone. Okay, so I'm going to search for event by event title. So this is working. To search by event ID, if I search a wrong one, it will prompt an error message, and enter the correct one. Yes, it's available. No. I can also search for student name. For example, yes. Okay, so for organizer, they can view student list for each event. Yes, proceed and choose whichever it's in the list. So I'm going to see for event ID 32, and there's 4 students participating this event. So I'm going to generate it as well. Coding com2. Going to coding com2. As you can see, it is generated. So for organizer, the difference between organizer and admin is that it is restricted to only the event that is created by the organizer. For admin can see every event that is created. So to generate organizer report, this report is also restricted to only the event that is created by the organizer. So this report shows each event, which for example, coding competition have 4 students, animation seminar have 2 students, and then the bar chart is generated, calculation is made, and the least and most participants. So this report can be generated as well. So the file name will be file is generated. Let's see. This one is the one that I generate just now. Okay. So you can see it's the same. So this one is the monthly event created report. The yearly event created report with the bar chart and calculation. For monthly student participation, the function, all of the report function is almost the same, but with different attributes. For yearly student participation, okay, so that is it for the organizer part. Now I'm going to show you the student part. So for student, I'm going to register a new student. Make sure to register, yes. So as you can see, the new student is registered into the system. So I will log in as the one that I registered just now. Okay, I'm able to make a registration. For example, I'm going to proceed and choose anyone in the list. So if I choose an incorrect one, it's unable to find. Proceed. I register to this. Yes to register. Successfully registered. So if I enter again, you have registered this event before. What if I add a 0 in front? Is also the same. Okay, so to view the registration, this is the registration that I made just now. Okay, now I'm going to drop the registration that I registered just now. So proceed, and drop, successfully dropped. So when you go back and view the registration, you did not register any event yet. So that is my demonstration. Thank you.